So a large and influential nation like China committing to positive climate change goals can only be a good thing.
China's carbon neutrality pledge is going to have a huge impact on many sectors. For example, on energy, on transportation, on building, and on manufacturing sector. Some provinces are planning for electrification for the entire transport sector within 10 years. So these are the major changes what I expect to happen in the not very distant future as part of the implementation for the carbon neutrality target.